Hello, my name is Matteo and I'm Italian. I come from the northwest of Italy, from the city of Torino. And in 2014 I joined the PhD UNI program here in Brussels. And when I was working back in Italy, I did both my bachelor and my master degree in medical biotechnology. And there I got interested for the first time in developmental neuroscience. And there I was mostly working on large brain mammals, mostly was working on the sheep. And after that, I really wanted to start working doing my PhD on humans. And I was lucky enough to find a position here in Brussels at the with the UNI program on a lab that was actually specialized exactly on human brain development. So I did both my studies, bachelor and master degree in the city of Torino, in the University of Torino, back in Italy. I grew up in a very small village there, of about 5,000 people, and then I moved to Torino for the university. I also briefly worked in Torino right after my master, exactly on the same master thesis project that I did during my studies. When I finished my master in Italy, I really wanted to do a PhD abroad. But I really wanted to find something that was a program, not just a position and a PhD abroad. So I really looked on the internet if I was able to find something like that in Europe. And I came up on the website of the ULB Neuroscience Institute program, and I applied there. So here in this lab, I worked on human brain development, and more specifically, I was working on a genetic disease, which is called microcephaly, and is characterized by a strong reduction of the volume of the brain and of the head at birth in patients. And what's very interesting about this specific disorder is that it's caused by a mutation in one specific gene, which is called ISPM. And another interesting thing is that if you try to model this using mice, you don't get exactly the same results in terms of phenotypes. So in a way, we thought that microcephaly would be something specific for larger brain animals, such as human. And so what I did was to take human stem cells and differentiating them in neuronal progenitors and neuronal cells, and then try to understand the molecular mechanism that was behind this disorder. Working at the uni was very important for me because, first of all, it really gave me the opportunity to work on something that I was fascinated of for quite a while. And at the same time, it gave me the chance to meet a lot of great scientists, which teach me a lot. Even though right now I'm not working in academia anymore, the teachings that I got are very, very helpful for my career. I think that if you have any type of interest in neuroscience, the uni could be a great place for you. And I strongly encourage you to have a look at the website and see if there are any of the labs that might be interesting for you, and of course to apply. Plus, Brussels is a wonderful city.